Hi children, welcome to our next online class. Our next topic is larger numbers. In last class we have learned 5-digit numbers. Which is the greatest 5-digit number? 99,999 is the greatest 5-digit number. Clear? Then what is the successor of 99,999? How do we find it? We can add this number by 1. So 9 plus 1, 10, carry over 1. 9 plus 1, 10, carry over 1. 10, carry over 1. 10, carry over 1. 10. This is 6-digit number, 1 followed by 5 zeros. So, this is the smallest 6-digit number. The number name of this is 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Clear? Next is, which is the greatest 6-digit number? It is 9, 6 nines. Clear? So what is the number name of this number? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. How do we read this number? 9 lakh, 99,999 is the number name of the greatest 6-digit number. Clear? We can write next the smallest 7-digit number. Which is the smallest 7-digit number? How do we write it? 1 followed by 6 zeros. 1, 2. 1 followed by 6 zeros. What is the number name of this? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 10 lakh is the 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs is the smallest 7-digit number. Same way, we can write the greatest 7-digit number. It is 7 nines. What is the number name of this? Number name of this is, here the place value, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. We should read that lakhs and 10 lakhs placed together. So, the number name of this is 99 lakh, 99,999 is the number name of this. Clear? Now let us see which is the smallest 8-digit number. How do we write it? 1 followed by 7 zeros. The number name of this is, we can read the place value, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore. The number name of this is 1 crore. Then can you say which is the greatest 8-digit number? It is 9 crore, 99 lakhs, 99,999 is the largest 8-digit number. Clear? Next is the smallest 9-digit number. It is 1 followed by 8 zeros. The number name of this is, first we can read the places, ones, tens, 100, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores, 10 crore. So the number name of this is 10 crores. Which is the greatest 9-digit number? It is 99 crores, 99 lakhs, 99,999. This numeration is called Indian numeration, Indian system of numeration. Clear, all of you? According to the place value of Indian numeration, we can divide these numbers into different groups. Each group is called periods. Here, ones, tens, 100 places included in ones period. The name of period is ones period. This period is called thousands period. In thousands period, 1000 place and 10,000 place. This place is called thousands. Sorry, this period is called thousands period. Thousands period. Next period is lakhs period. And next is crores period. According to this period, we can insert commas here. It is easy to read the number. See children, this is the Indian place value chart. You have to draw this chart in your notebook. We already discussed this. According to this system, Indian place value system, the numbers are divided into different periods. In ones period, there are ones place, tens and hundreds place. In thousands period, thousands and 10,000s places. In lakhs period, lakhs and 10 lakhs places. In crores period, crores and 10 crores places. Here we can write one example. What is the number name of this? Here the number is in 10 crores place 4 crores place 4. We can insert the comma after this. We can insert comma, crores period. Then next is lakhs period, 36 lakhs. Then comma. Next is 29,000. Then comma. In ones period, 8, 4, 5. We can insert comma like this. This is ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period. How do we read this number? Or what is the number name of this? 45 crores, 36 lakhs, 29,000, 800, 45. All of you write this much in your notebook. Understood? Students, let us move to next topic. International place value chart. Like Indian place value chart, in international place value chart also divided into different periods. Here in ones period, three places are there. Ones place, tens place and hundreds place. In thousands period, here thousands place, 10,000s place and 100,000 place. Here in Indian place value chart, here is 1 lakhs place, but here in international place value chart it is 100,000. Next period is millions. In millions period, millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. For example, this is one example. According to this international place value chart, we can insert comma after first period. This is ones period, 3 places. Then next is 3 places. Next is 3 places. The number name of this is 400. 89 millions 635,000 895. 95. Students, you have to write this also in your notebook. All of you write this question in your notebook. Insert commas and write the number name of this in the Indian system and in the international system. First we can write in Indian system. In Indian system, we can insert a comma first. According to Indian system, in first period or ones period, 3 places, we can insert comma here. Then next period is thousands period. In thousands and 10,000s place, we can insert a comma here. Then lakhs and 10 lakhs places or lakhs period. The number name of this is 56 lakhs 42,078. There is no number in hundreds place. So 56, we can write here 56 lakhs 42,000 78. Next, in international place value chart. International place value chart. How do we insert a comma? First we should write the number. In international place value chart, each period includes 3 places. So, first 3 places, next 3 places. Clear? The number name of this is in millions period, this is thousands period, this is ones period. The number name of this is 5,000,000 642,000 78. Clear? Listen children, next is exercise 1.2. The question number 1 is fill up the Indian place value chart that you have to do in your textbook. Question number 2 is write the number names in the Indian system. First one is here ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So the number name of this is 45 lakhs 23,000 827. Next is in lakhs place here 7,005 and in ones period 148. So 7 lakh 5,000 148. Next is here in lakhs place 61. So 61 lakhs 1000s place 7,000 53. Understood? D and E are there in textbook that you have to practice yourself. Now let us move to third question. Write the number names in international system. Here first one is ones place, tens place, hundred place, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 7 million. So the number name of this is 7,000,000 453,000 53,000 129. Next is here in millions place 2. So 2,000,000 49,000 802. See, there is no millions place. Here start with thousands place. So the number name of this is 154,000. 673. All of you clear this much? Students, in textbook D and E, two questions are there in textbook. You have to practice yourself.